2025 Reefscape Robot 3 days. This is day 1. We are now almost 7 hours into this project. We got some ideas, we got some things going on, we got some electronics, and we have a kit of parts base. So that's what we're working on right now. We have our idea for a climber design. We're going to use a single stage system right here with our 20mm channel in the middle, and then we're going to have these standoffs here to be able to slide nice, some at the top and some at the bottom, to be able to do that. And then we're going to do some fun stuff with pneumatics to see if we can get not only the climber to go up vertically, but also to lay down like this so we can pick up game pieces.
We're making good headway. We have a whole bunch of parts made, so assembly will start soon, hopefully. As you can see here, we have a whole bunch of math, complete with timestamps at like 2 AM and 3 AM from when Josh was doing this, and again at 10 AM when he fixes math. So we have the incomplete structure for the climber that needs to be fixed.
Yeah, it was really simple, and it still is really simple. It's just that to hold it up, we need to be able to lift the whole robot from a point, and that's really hard. So we're giving it a lot of strength, and that requires a lot of materials cut at various angles because triangles are strong.
Cage. The hole in the bottom made with the flail. I think that's it for now. It'll be a little more interesting tomorrow when we have stuff put together. Hopefully, but this is just past the 1/3 mark.
So we have our mechanism here for the elevator. We got our bending mechanism. This goes up like such, and we're working on this side here, and then we're getting the first part of our our elevator stage here. So this will go inside. We got this drying right now, but we have the spacers in here as well. Shortly we'll be able to go up and down. That's the plan, at least.
All right, guys. This is the chassis that we have so far. Say hi, Ben. And Dalton. You're making the robot wave. So in theory, there's going to be a crossbar across these two, and this will go up and down to hopefully pick up off the floor. And then these tubes are going to get turned into an elevator at some point. We're working on it. And then we have a climber started right here, and we have a piston that's going to push down on the cage. And this is going to be mounted like in the center of the robot, right there. And then, not that this matters, but code-wise,
No, it doesn't matter at all.
Okay.
It only makes the whole robot run.
Yeah, no.
We have, in theory, all of the code. Just we have to put in the CAN numbers and test it. So fingers crossed it works on the first try.
Okay.
Because all code does.
Yep. All right. We're in the final stretch. It's the final third of our 3 days. So we're 24 hours left. Here's what we have. So we haven't really made a whole lot of progress on the elevator part because we needed super glue instead of Loctite, because Loctite didn't dry. Oh well. But we did put in our climber. It's nice, giant Argo metal that's on there. So this, there's going to be a foot down here, and then the way it's going to work, this will swing in. So it wasn't wires that way. That'll swing in. And it'll push down on that. It's good. And then we had Mr. Vincent approve our contraption and how it's going to push up after that. And we think it should work. It's pretty sturdy, so we hope it should work. And then I was going to make the foot for that, and then that's all done. We just need a compressor bit to test it. They have super glue for this now, and all of the rest of the parts for it. So we're working mainly on the grabber. So if you come over here, we're using this 4-bar concept that Josh kindly explained to me because they're engineers and I'm not yet. So that this, though, no matter like where it rotates, this is always facing up, unless it's like all the way over. So Apparently they thought very long and hard about this at like 2 a.m. Yeah, all of our programming is mostly okay. It's done! It's a robot! Look!
Roboto.
It moves. Kinda.
On sound, but only when it's on.
Only when, obviously.
You don't get to see it out.
You'll get to see it later.